friends, welcome you all to Alpha Technical Sum. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon. Now we will do the revision. You can see this is 1 minute. So this is neatly daily chart. As discussed yesterday, I told if this high is taken out, it will go and fill up this gap. Actually this low is 831. Today's high is 810. 21 points gap is there still. Most probably it may fill tomorrow. If all goes well, it may fill up the tomorrow. There is a gap here also. When coming back, it will fill up the gap. But again, I am giving you the warning. The same thing I am been repeating is it is not supported with volume. It's not a good volume. It has gone up. It is not gone up with good volume. Anytime market will come down. When it will come down, that we have to check day by day. We will go to our other setup. Fibonacci retracement just gone up, so next retracement value is 78.6. Tomorrow we will add 78.6. Most probably it may return from 78.6. We don't know. 61.8 is a golden retracement value. It is called. Now it has broken. So next value we have to check. Tomorrow I will add 78.6. Okay. Interesting is in 1 hour chart. You can see here there is a gap here. Okay. 2 hours market has taken a resistance and come down, but it has closed. The closing is above our critical resistance. Why? You can see here this is a top line. Okay, this top line I will show you. This is the top line. Okay, this line is 10,758. Market has closed above that. Okay, market closing is 10,769, but stop line is 10,000. From here only market has fallen. It should have taken a strong resistance. If market sustains for 1 hour tomorrow about 10,758, likely to fill up this 21 points gap. If all goes well, it may touch 10,045 by another 1 or 2 days. Okay, and then it may start reversing. We have to see the reversal pattern and then take up our positions. Okay friends, clear? Right? So this is 1 hour analysis. You can see here ours was a smooth ride in Nifty, but Bank Nifty was very volatile or confused. You can see here these are 15 minutes Nifty chart. Okay, one you can see here this is the first, second, third, fourth. Exactly from 4 it has reversed. It has started reversing. So again 10,736, because there was a consolidation here. As the intraday perspective, if it sustains above this, it will likely to go up. If it breaks this, it will likely come again. It will take support here, and today's low, if that is broken, this gap will be filled up. This gap filling may happen if it comes down. If it sustains here, it will go up. I told you the target in 1 hour. Okay, in 1 hour I told you what may be the target. Okay, it will be around 11,000 change. Okay, it will be 11,000 change. I will check it in daily chart. Okay, target is 11,031. Around 11,000 change will be the target. It will another 21 points gap filling is pending. It fills up as all goes well. If there is a good volume, it should touch. Most probably that it may reverse from there. That may be our 78.6 retracement value also. Tomorrow I will check it up and then I will let you know. Okay. Before that, we will check our other parameters. Volume is low, and again it's slightly above than Friday volume, but still you can see volume is less than average volume, right? When coming to what you call options data, see option data looks bullish. All call raters have squared off, put raters are active. There is, we can see active in 10,800 and 11,900, and there is a very big activity in 11,000. But already market has moved up, and then this they have squared it off. Okay, So tomorrow again we have to check fresh what is happening with the OA data, right? If all goes well, then it may move up. Again there may be further covering of say what you call the long unwinding may happen tomorrow. Okay, already quite a bit has happened, so this will be little bit tricky tomorrow. That is why consistent watching. You should know from at least 4 or 5 days OA data you should have in your record, so that you are able to analyze the rate of change. What was day before yesterday, what was today, and what is going to be tomorrow. We have to compare it with today's data. Only then we will be able to take some right decision with OA data. Because in OA there is multiple analysis. Call you can buy and sell, again put you can buy and sell. 4 type of analysis we should do with OA data, change in OA data. So it is slightly critical and it is complicated also, right? So please be careful with analyzing the OA data. Coming to FII data, 348 is what you call they are buying and 263 is DII buying. Coming to global data, Nasdaq is up by 2%, Europe is beautifully up around 1.5–2%, Asian market is everything is up. Okay, when everything is green, only then our market will reverse. This is experience, psychology. When everybody is bullish, only market will reverse. So please be careful. Year afterwards, there will be more resistance. Market breaking 11,030 and going up may not happen. We don't know. Okay, anything is possibility. In market, there is only possibility. There is no certainty. Okay, we should have. That is why we check day candle, 1 hour candle, and have some good robust 15 minutes trading setup or 5 minutes trading setup as per your taste and risk and reward. See, gold is up by 0.29%, 0.36%, crude is down. This is about the what you call commodities, right? Now we will go to Bank Nifty. Okay, Bank Nifty was struggling. I told you, you can see here this intraday chart of Bank Nifty. You can see here 15 minutes. Went up, came down, again went up. So Bank Nifty was struggling. As I am telling from quite a few days that Bank Nifty is not in sync with Nifty. But with Nifty it was very smooth. Nifty it was very smooth. You can see there was no much volatility. Aram se it has gone up. Okay, you can see here. There is a slight volatility. There is a small consolidation here. So this will become a support point tomorrow. If this is broken, again this will become a support point today's low. If that is broken, this gap may be filled up. Okay, so trade safe. Okay, have some good robust system in you. This that you are add our volume analysis, add our OA analysis with this, and then our success rate will improve. Okay, now going to the other factors, that is question of the day. Okay, I asked a question on last Thursday. What is call with respect to options? Today I am asking a question, what is put with respect to options? Because tomorrow I will give you answer for both. Both are similar. Okay, just want you to people think and then find out the answer. Okay, tomorrow I will give the answer as per my statement as well as from one more book also. Hope this video was useful in analyzing the Nifty, friends. Okay, thanks for watching. Okay, Jai Hind, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.